Hello, guys, and welcome to Pack With Me, her edition. First, I'd like to apologize if you hear hammering. These are our new room neighbors. So, Peter and I wanted to film our packing, what we brought to 3 weeks in Morocco, but somehow we forgot. So now we just flipped the switch and now we're packing to go home. So I like to start with my pants. I have those outdoorsy pants which I use for hiking, and I'm gonna wear tomorrow for our flight back to Austria. And these wide legged pants, I also like them. Actually, I love them. I think I almost wore them every day as we strolled through the Medina, and also I think almost everywhere else because they're good to wear. They keep your legs covered, which definitely is good if you want to dress respectfully. And they're also good to wear if it gets hot, because these wide leg pants, it just circulates the air and it's good. So, I'm not gonna wear this. I need this tomorrow, and this can get inside my bag. I also brought my warm jacket, which I thought I'm gonna need in the desert, because at night it can get really cold in the desert, but actually I didn't need it in the desert. I needed it in the north of Morocco, because in Chefchaouen sometimes we had 11 degrees, and I was so thankful to have this jacket with me. I'm also gonna need it when we arrive tomorrow at the airport, because in Austria it's about also 10 degrees or so definitely need this. Then my long shirts. I have a hoodie which I often wore also in the desert, and I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Sports jacket, which I never wore. Could have stayed at home. My blouse. I loved it when wearing tank tops or dresses, because I just put it on and got my shoulders covered, also my neckline, so perfect. I had 2 dresses with me, so when I didn't wear my pants, I wore the dresses. Shirts. Well, I think I could have left 2 of them at home, so didn't need so many shirts at all. Then a bikini, which is good because we were not in the ocean swimming, but we have swimming pools in the Riyadh, so I think I used them 3 or 4 times. You're gonna come here. Then I have 2 days of undies left, which I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Like this and this. I'm gonna put inside here. So 2 resistance bands, 1 loop and 1 TheraBand for some little exercise. I also did exercises, so I needed them. Then caps and scarves. I thought it's gonna be so cold, I need a hat. I didn't need it, but maybe I'm gonna need it tomorrow in Austria. I don't know. No, I have a hoodie. I'm not gonna need it. Okay. If you watch the stories and seen pictures, I think I wore this hat every day, and I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. The scarf I bought from the Medina is actually a linen scarf, which I got for, I don't know, I think 20 euros. I found it reasonable because we saw the man sitting in his workspace and making these scarves, but I think I could have haggled. Anyway, I wore it when walking through the Medina, also to cover my shoulders or to cover my head, and also in the desert. to keep away the sand from my face and my eyes. Well, this scarf thing, I just like to show you how to put it on. I like to wear them when sailing or so, but I think I wore it once. Could have left it at home, definitely. So then we have bags. I really often use this one just to put inside some cash, passport, mobile phone, that's it. I'm gonna need it maybe tomorrow for the airport, I think, yes. This bag I'm gonna put my shoes in, so I'm gonna need it later. And this bag, I think I'm gonna take this tomorrow for the airport. And this can go inside the bag later to fill the space. So, shoes. I got 2 pair of shoes and I really wore them, those espadrilles from Spain, quite often because they're cool slippers. I just saw I got still dirt on them, but anyway, I just put them in here and close this. So, oops. It's a match. Is it? Ooh. Yeah. Perfect match. And my sneakers. I thought I'm gonna go running. I didn't. But I wore them also a lot of times. As you can see, I'm not sure. They're a little bit sandy, so I wore them. No, I didn't wear them in the desert. I don't know why they're so sandy and red. But I also wore them a lot to walk around, especially when we knew that it's gonna be a long day and we're gonna walk a lot. Like, I think the first 2 days in Marrakesh, we've walked about each day, I don't know, 30,000 steps or even 50,000. I'm not good with numbers, something like that. So I'm gonna need them tomorrow at the airport. And now there's just a few things left. A carpet I got. We'll see if this, yeah. I thought it's gonna be hard. Damn, I think this is not gonna work. I'll figure that out later. We also bought some spices and some argan oil. And then there's the tripod, which should come in there as well. And then I have my AirPods, which I'm gonna use tomorrow during the flight. And I'd like to show you that, of course, we have our passport. I got my international driving license, which I thought I might need. Actually, it's not valid anymore, but there is no due date written in there. Said from 2022, it's valid until 2021, but I thought maybe people from the car rental place might need it. Didn't need it, but anyway, good to keep it with you. And we always have a copy of our passports with us. So if we're gonna lose our passports, we have this in a separate bag, like in the luggage in Peter's backpack or somewhere. So we just have like a backup. We also do have a backup on our mobiles, a picture, and then in a cloud. So if you lose like everything, we can go to anywhere, internet cafe with a computer and have access online. We never needed it, but you know, it's good to have it. So that's going to come in here and here. Oh, and one more thing. We always have like a little pharmacy with us. I'm not going through all those kind of things. We've just needed, sunscreen, no after sun. We didn't need any of those sprays, also no mosquito sprays. Thankfully, we didn't get sick or anything, so I just had my supplements and magnesium. Yeah, I think that's it. So now I'm going to figure out how to get this carpet in this duffel bag. We'll see if I manage it or if I have to take the carpet tomorrow in my hand luggage. I hope this video was helpful and you get a feeling of what you're gonna need and what you don't need and how to save space in your luggage, because you don't want to like pack this thing full up, because maybe you're gonna buy a carpet or a lamp, I don't know, or mirrors, but also you don't want to have that heavy weight always on your back or carrying with you. Anyways, if you like this video, please leave a like, follow our channel for more, and if you have some further questions, just leave them in your comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye!